So this is the connector number 3 in the EGR valve. The scale is in 2-volt. This is connector number 4. So that jumps out to idles at 13.7. Connector number 1. Connector number 6. So 6 and 4, they start out at battery voltage, I think. Yeah. And then as you rev them, it goes down. But connector number 3 is the one that kind of the lowest one, has the lowest reading, and it doesn't jumps around. Kind of stay within less than 0.2, I guess 0.3. So that's number 3. Number 4. Number 4, as you revved up, it would go that's connector number 6. So number 6 and 4 again. Number 6 started at a battery volt at idle, and as you rev, it would go down. So yeah, I'm not sure. Do number 3 again. So that's number 3. That's number 6. Again, number 1. Number 4.